Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Medicare fitness benefits, gym membership guide step by step clearly. To activate your Medicare fitness benefits, start by reviewing your Medicare plan. Check if your specific plan includes fitness benefits. If you have a Medicare Advantage plan, it may offer gym memberships or discounts. Gather your Medicare card along with your plan information. Visit the official Medicare website or your plan's website for detailed instructions. Identify the fitness program options available through your plan. Contact the customer service number for your plan if you need assistance. Ask about specific gym partnerships or fitness benefit options included in your plan. Once you find a program or gym, confirm any costs or enrollment requirements. Fill out any necessary paperwork or online forms to enroll in the fitness program. Take note of any eligibility criteria or deadlines for enrollment. Once enrolled, create an account with the gym or fitness program as required. Visit the gym and present your Medicare card or enrollment confirmation. Review the gym's facilities and classes to find activities that suit your needs. Engage with trainers or staff to explore personalized workout plans. Track your fitness activities to stay motivated and make the most of your benefits. Regularly check in with your Medicare plan for updates on benefits or changes. Stay informed about any additional programs that may be offered to enhance your fitness journey. Remember to share your experience with others who might benefit from Medicare fitness programs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.